Hello, future CAs. Welcome back to my channel, where I help you crack your CA exams with confidence. In today's video, we are diving deep into business laws, one of the most important and scoring subjects in your CA foundation. We'll break down the section wise and skill wise weightage so you know exactly where to focus your energy. And I will also share some proven tips on how to effectively prepare for this subject. So, ready to ace your business laws paper? Let's get started. If you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified when I post new videos. The business law syllabus is structured into 7 sections, each with its own weightage and required skills. So, section 1 is Indian regulatory framework. The section wise weightage allocated to this is 0% to 5%, that is up to 5%. Section 2 is the Indian Contract Act 1872. The section wise weightage allocated to this is 20% to 30%. Section 3 is Sale of Goods Act 1930. The section wise weightage allocated to this is 15% to 20%. Section 4 is Indian Partnership Act 1932. The section wise weightage allocated to this is 15% to 20%. Section 5 is the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. The section wise weightage allocated to this is 5% to 10%. Section 6 is the Companies Act 2013 and the section wise weightage allocated to this is 15% to 20%. Section 7 is the Negotiable Instruments Act 1881. The section wise weightage allocated to this is 10% to 15%. So apart from these section wise weightages, following are the skill wise weightages which will be tested in the exam. So first is level 1 comprehension and knowledge based skill. So the weightage allocated to this is 45% to 65%. Next is level 2 application based skill. The weightage allocated to this is 35% to 55%. Comprehension and knowledge based skill involves understanding the theoretical aspects, principles and concepts of business law. It's about grasping what business laws mean, how they are structured, and their implication for businesses. This skill focuses on the ability to read, interpret, and explain legal terminology, case law, and statutory provisions. The key aspects of comprehension and knowledge based skill are as follows: understanding legal concepts, that is, knowing the definitions, framework, and core principles of business laws such as contracts, company law, and intellectual property rights. Interpreting legal texts, being able to explain laws, statutes, and legal judgments in a way that demonstrates clear understanding. Analyzing legal theory, assessing the reason behind legal decisions, policies, and regulations. Some of the examples for business laws are explaining the difference between void and voidable contracts, understanding the basic rights and obligation of Indian Contract Act, describing the roles and responsibilities of director under the Companies Act. Whereas on other hand, an application based skill involves using the theoretical knowledge of business laws in practical and real world scenarios. This means applying your comprehension of laws to solve legal problems, assess business risk, and provide legal advice. It's about using what you know to navigate legal challenges in a business context. Following are the key aspects of application based skill: problem solving, using legal knowledge to address practical issues such as resolving disputes or negotiating business agreements; case analysis, applying legal principles to analyze and advise on case studies or real life business situations. Example in business laws are applying company law provisions to solve a dispute related to a shareholder's right, assessing the legal risks involved in a merger or acquisition based on relevant laws. So, to summarize, comprehension and knowledge based skill focuses on understanding what the law says and why, whereas, on other hand, application based skill focuses on how to use that understanding in practical situation to solve business related legal issues. Here are some useful tips for effective preparation. Understand the syllabus thoroughly. Familiarize yourself with the entire syllabus. Prioritize understanding over rote memorization, that is, focus on why and how laws apply in different scenarios. Structured study schedule. Create a comprehensive study plan that covers the entire syllabus, allocating specific time to the subject. Start by getting a general overview of each chapter to understand its key themes and sequence of topics. Make your notes. While studying, prepare the concise notes. In these notes, highlight important concept definition and key case laws. These notes will be essential for quick revision before the exams. Essential legal resources. It's vital to complement your study material with bare acts of relevant statutes. These bare acts are the foundation of legal knowledge and are essential for thoroughly understanding the law. Incorporating sections and case laws. Although not mandatory at the foundation level, including relevant sections and case laws in your answers can enhance your responses. However, avoid mentioning incorrect section numbers or irrelevant case laws. Practical preparation. Regularly practice revision test papers, past exam papers, and mock test papers to become familiar with exam format, question types, and time management. This practice will also help you identify areas where you need improvement. Alright, future CS, that's a wrap for the today's video. By now, you should have a solid understanding of the section wise and skill wise weightages and also some practical tips to make your business law preparation more efficient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more exam strategies and tips. Also hit that bell icon so that you do not miss out on any future updates. All the best for your exams and I will see you all in the next video.